Hey, I just built these 4 websites in about 10 to 15 minutes, and they all have these really cool scrolling effects built in. Now, I just wanted to show you them quickly, and then I'll show you how to actually build these really, really easily. So you can see here, as I scroll on this website, we have that really, really stunning scroll animation there. Now here's another one for interior design. So we've got a really nice hero video going on there. And then as we come down, we've got a house opening up, revealing the inside for this interior design company. Then we've got a spaceship one here. So as we scroll, the spaceship opens up, revealing the inside. And then we've got this other one here where we have a really nice hero video going on, and then as we scroll down we have this laptop opening up, revealing the insides there. But these websites literally took me, in total, all 4 of them, probably about 15 minutes to build, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that today. Essentially, it's a 4-step process to building these sites. Now, sites like this about 2-3 years ago probably would have cost anything from $5,000 up to about $15,000 for these animations built into them, with the scrolling animations, and also they would have taken weeks to build. Now, I literally did this in about 15 minutes, like you'll see in this video, but a simple 4-step process here. One being, we're going to write a few bullet points into Claude Code. Then we are going to use the Leon taste skill, which basically is a skill that packages up a bunch of professional skills into one, that just makes it really easy to just one-shot these stunning looking websites. Then we're going to be generating an exploded view video inside of Kling 3.0, and then we're going to integrate that on our site and make it live. So before we get started, I just want to show you this taste skill here. What it is a repository with a bunch of professional like web design skills all in one. So we have the taste skill, so it's the main design skill for premium front-end code, cover layout, typography, colors, spacing, and motion. Redesign skill, soft skill, output skill, minimalistic skill, brutalist skill, and the stitch skill. Now this is really easy to do. We're going to jump into Claude Code now and get started building this right away. Now this is actually really easy to set up, and it doesn't take long at all. Now first of all, you're going to need Claude Code running inside of some IDE. I'm using Claude Code inside of VS Code. If you don't have that set up, I'll leave a link to another video of mine somewhere on the screen where I actually go over how to set this up. It's super simple. But then essentially what we're going to need to do is just tell Claude to use the Leon taste skill from GitHub. So that's literally what I'm going to do. Hi Claude, I'm going to give you a website skill URL straight from GitHub, and I want you to familiarize yourself with this skill so we can then use it to generate some really nice looking websites. And I'll send you the link now. Then I'll just paste in that GitHub link, and then all we're going to do is just hit enter. Now Claude is going to read that skill and check out the repository. So you can see it's checking out the repository, it's exploring the GitHub, the taste skill. I'm going to allow to fetch this URL. And then once this is done, we will actually go ahead and start generating some websites. Okay, so the skill has been installed. And now all we need to do is just tell Claude to generate us a website. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to generate a tech website now for this example. Hey Claude, can you generate me a website for a tech company using the new Leon Taste skill that we've just installed, and then run it on local host so I can view it. So as simple as that. Claude's going to go ahead, read those skills that we just installed, and then get to building out our website. So in a matter of minutes, our website has been completed. You can see with all the sections there, and then it's used the taste skill that we just installed as well. So let's check it out. So this is the website that it just one-shotted. Now, to be honest with you, the majority of people would be really, really happy with a site like this. It doesn't really look like an AI slot website. There's custom elements in there already. So this is the benefit of using the Leon Taste skill. It's an amazing skill. It basically just sorts out all the spacing and gives it the ability to just look like a professional site and not AI generated. But we're going to go one step further, and what we're going to do, we're going to put a couple different images in here to make this look really, really cool. So we're going to be using Higgsfield for that. So let's jump over there and start making our components or elements. I'm inside of Higgsfield now, and if you've never used Higgsfield before, basically what it is it allows you to use tons of different image models, tons of different video models, audio models, and all of that stuff within one platform. So really, really handy, and it just takes away the need for tons of different subscriptions because this is all in one. Now you can see that I've been playing around with this and generating some different elements for the examples that I showed you previously. What I did do with most of these was I went to Nano Banana 2 first, which you can do within the image section, and then you can use that image to create a video. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to create it straight away inside of Kling 3.0, which is the video model that we're going to be using today. So let's go ahead and just generate a hero background for our website. Now what I like to do is generate a couple different examples. This just gives you more variety, because usually when you're generating a video with AI, it's not going to be perfect first try. So if you have a lot of credits, then it's definitely worth clicking the generate button a couple of times to get this right. But you can see here we're using 7.5 credits. Now that isn't that much at all. Let me actually just get up the Higgsfield pricing. So you get 150 credits per month for $9 a month, which for something like this, we're using 7.5 credits to generate us a video. So it's extremely cheap. Whereas a few years back, creating a animation like we're going to create would have cost $5,000 to $10,000, or even more, to be honest with you. But we're doing it now for a fraction of the price and in a fraction of the time. Okay, so we've got a couple of examples generated here. I'm just going to use this one. We'll download this, and then we'll give it a new name and drag it straight into Claude Code. So back inside of Claude Code, I've just literally just renamed the MP4 file hero image. I should have named it video, but I've named it hero image. And I've dragged it and dropped it into this text site folder here. Now I'm going to just tell Claude Code that I've done this and that I want to use this as the background in the hero section. I've just dropped a MP4 file called heroimage.mp4 into the text site folder. Now I want to use that as the background of the site in the hero section. So it's going to go ahead, find that file, found it, let me move it into the public folder. Now I'll add the video as a full bleed image or background behind the hero with dark overlay so the text stays readable. Perfect. Cool, and just like that, we have a really nice looking background video on our site now with it fading into the next section. Now there is a line there which we can easily remove just by talking to Claude, and we can make this look a lot cleaner, which we will do. But before we do that, we're going to actually add an exploding view video. Now to do this, we'll jump back to Higgsfield. Can you generate me an exploding view diagram of a laptop? Now this laptop should break into pieces, exposing the circuit boards and everything underneath. Now this should go frame by frame because I'm going to be using it as an element on my website when the user scrolls, so just make sure that it's clean and professional. And then just like that, I'm going to hit generate, and then we'll see what we get. Okay, so let's see what we got. Okay, so it's not perfect, but you get the idea. You basically want to generate this exploding view video here so we can use it when generating that scroll animation. Spend a little bit of time on this to perfect it, but for now I'm just going to use this one here, and then I'm going to show you how to add it to your site now. So I'm going to download it, same process, drag it and drop it into Claude Code in the folder, and then get Claude to add it to our site. I've just added a video called scroller video.mp4 into the tech site folder. Now what I want to do with this, right below the hero section, I want this to be the background, and I basically want it, when the user scrolls, this should go frame by frame through the video with text changing on top explaining the tech company on this site. Now make sure this is as smooth as possible and the loading times aren't crazy so that the user experience is perfect. Just like that, I'm going to hit enter, and then Claude's going to get to work and add that onto our site. So Claude's finished. Let's see. Scroll down. So it's quite laggy, but for a first attempt, I mean, the idea is there. Scrolling down, the image opens up in the background, the text changes on top. There's a lot of work to be done, but don't worry, it's an easy fix. We're going to go back to Claude and just give it a few simple prompts to make this smoother, cleaner, and then tidy up this section here, blend them into each other. So I noticed that the scrolling animation section is actually really laggy, so I want the video to be still the video and then go through it frame by frame. So if we just tidy that bit up and make it as smooth as possible so it runs through the video smoothly. Now also, I want the hero section to blend into the section below that we've just built. Currently right now there's like a flat line that just goes straight into that new section. We can maybe add a gradient which fades into this new section. Okay, so after a little bit of back and forth with Claude, only took me a couple minutes, we've got a smoother gradient here, and then the actual scroll animation in the background is a lot smoother. And that only took 5 minutes to do from start to finish, downloading and installing the skill, generating the assets, and then just going back and forth with Claude to generate this website. Now, there's a lot more work that can be done to this website. I mean, if you wanted to change specific bits, you can always just screenshot a section on the website. Say you don't like this and you want it a different way. That's easily doable, but this is extremely powerful, and something like this would have cost $5,000 to $10,000 a few years back and weeks to build. So we've just done this in 5 minutes. So that's essentially it. Now that's all from me. I hope this helped a lot. The main purpose of this video was because I've been seeing a lot of stuff online and people have been saying to use these 30 plus different frameworks to build a website. That is untrue, and we can build professional, stunning looking websites in a matter of minutes with just a few tools: Claude Code, Higgsfield, and then the Leon Taze skill. Thank you very much for viewing this video. Make sure you join my free school community where you can get all of the resources and skills and a whole bunch more from the description below. It will be the first link. Again, thank you very much for watching. Hit the subscribe button and I'll see you all soon.